Hi, I'm Mikhail with Student Success, and you're watching Student Success News. Today is Monday, July 13th, 2026, and I'm reporting from the Multimedia Room. Campus is buzzing as we officially enter Summer Session 3 with Rebels gearing up for another round of classes. Here's what's happening this week. We have Mindful Moments Weekly Guided Meditation Tuesday, July 14th, 2026 from 12 to 12:30 p.m. This will be held in the Student Recreation and Wellness Center in room 1502. We have Paint and DIY Crafting for Cooler Summers Tuesday, July 14th, 2026 from 12 to 3 p.m. This will be held in SSC C in the Rebels Credit Unit. We have FYE Summer Connect series, Tuesday, July 14, 2026 from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. This will be held virtually and you can find more information in our description. There's Intro to Pre-Professional Health Workshop, Wednesday, July 15, 2026 from 2 to 3 p.m. This will be held virtually and you can find more information in our description. We also have Intro to Pre-Law Workshop, Thursday, July 16, 2026 from 1 to 2 p.m. This will also be held virtually and you can find more information in the description. Our coaching spot is open for Summer Session 3. Stop by to get a coaching session, grab a snack, or say hi. The Writing Center is open for virtual consultations only, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tutoring is open for Summer Session 3 in the Lead Library. Stop by to get your free tutoring session. Thank you for watching this edition of Student Success News. Remember to apply for our Rebel Rise program to get the recognition you deserve. Remember, Rebels, success starts with you.